The forward collision warning system is a critical safety feature designed to alert you to potential front-end collisions before they occur. The system uses radar sensors and cameras mounted in the front of your vehicle to continuously monitor the road ahead, detecting potential collision threats. When the FCW system detects a potential collision, it alerts you through multiple warning indicators, including dashboard lights, audible alarms, and haptic feedback. When FCW warnings appear, start with basic troubleshooting. First, perform a visual inspection of all sensor surfaces, ensuring they are clean and free from obstructions like dirt, ice, or debris. Environmental conditions can trigger false FCW warnings. Heavy rain, snow, fog, or direct sunlight can interfere with sensor operation, causing the system to issue unnecessary alerts. If FCW warnings persist after cleaning sensors and accounting for environmental factors, it's time to proceed to system reset procedures to restore normal operation. When your forward collision warning system needs attention, there are three main reset methods you can try, starting with the simplest approach and escalating to professional solutions. We'll start with the soft reset, which is the easiest method that often resolves temporary system glitches. Then we'll cover manual reset through your vehicle's settings, and finally, the advanced diagnostic reset for persistent issues. The soft reset is your first line of defense against FCW system warnings. This method clears temporary system errors and allows the sensors to recalibrate automatically. Start by turning off your vehicle completely and removing the key or pressing the stop button. Wait 5 to 10 minutes to allow all systems to fully power down and reset their memory. After waiting, restart your vehicle and drive at moderate speeds for 10 to 15 minutes. This gives the FCW system time to recalibrate its sensors and reestablish normal operation. The soft reset method successfully resolves FCW warnings in 60 to 70% of cases, making it worth trying first before moving to more complex solutions. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a manual reset through your vehicle's infotainment system. This method allows you to directly control the FCW system settings. Start by accessing your vehicle's main infotainment screen, then navigate to the Safety or Driver Assistance Settings menu. The exact location varies by manufacturer. Look for the Driver Assistance submenu, then find the Forward Collision Warning or Pre-Collision System settings. Toggle the system off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. After toggling the system, your vehicle may prompt you to perform a calibration drive at highway speeds to fully reset the FCW sensors. For persistent FCW warnings that don't respond to soft or manual resets, a professional OBD2 diagnostic reset may be necessary. This requires specialized equipment and expertise. A professional technician will connect a diagnostic scanner to read specific fault codes, typically in the P0XXX series for powertrain issues, or B0XXX for body system problems. After clearing the error codes, the technician performs guided calibration procedures to ensure the FCW sensors are properly aligned and functioning correctly. Professional FCW system service typically costs between $150 and $400 for calibration. If sensors need replacement due to damage or failure, costs can range from $500 to $2,000 depending on your vehicle. Remember to always start with the simplest solution first. Most FCW issues can be resolved with a soft reset, but don't hesitate to seek professional help for persistent problems to ensure your safety system functions properly.